Hello amazing traders and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be learning about support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels. So what's a support level? A support level describes a price level or a price zone, okay, where a downtrend pauses due to an increased demand of an asset or currency. Okay, and a resistance level is the opposite. It describes a price level or a price zone. Okay, the zone is basically a range of levels, okay, range of levels or a range of price levels where an uptrend pauses due to a decreased demand of an asset or currency. So let's say we have Euro USD. So let's say this is a chart of Euro USD, okay, this is a chart of Euro USD, and then we are selling Euro USD. It means we are buying dollar and then selling euro. Okay, we are buying dollar and selling euro. So we are selling euro. So it's coming here, it's coming low, and then it hits this point and then starts going up. So remember, we are selling euro here. So most traders are selling euro. It comes here, and then it pauses and starts going up. So it means at this point there was an increase in demand for euro. That's why it came up again and then came here. Now, when it hit here the second time, we then observed this level. Okay, we then observed this level and then called this level a support level, because after it hits here, it goes up, hits here, goes up, hits here. So this level, because of multiple testing of this level, we then identify this level as a support level, because whenever price comes here, there is an increased demand of euro and then the price goes up. So whenever it comes here, there's an increased demand, it goes up. Whenever it comes, there's an increased demand. The opposite goes for resistance level. Resistance level is like a ceiling. Okay, so let us assume support level is like a floor, then the resistance level is like a ceiling. So the resistance level is where whenever price goes up, it then comes down, it goes up, it comes down. So it always comes down after it hits this level. So that's one thing you should know about the resistance level. So these are price levels or a range of levels in the market where prices tend to reverse. Okay, so a previous support level becomes a resistance level, and the previous resistance level becomes a support level. So this is a normal phenomenon in the market. Whenever we have a resistance level and a support level, there is a high possibility that the market will react whenever they come to that same level. So if, for example, we have this level as a resistance level, and then the market breaks it and then goes up and then starts to form or starts to retrace again, there is a high probability that the market will act or change direction when it comes to this previous resistance level. So this previous resistance level has then turned into a new support level. Okay, so now we have this as a new support level and then this as a new resistance level. Then it breaks again, we also have this as a new support level, then the new level it has created as a new resistance level. Of course, this is an uptrend example. So that's another principle that you have to take note of when it comes to resistance and support levels. Then this is an example of a chart and how resistance and support levels play out practically. Now we can see that these highlighted points are points where we've observed multiple pauses as the market, or multiple reversals, which make them a support level. So a level can qualify as a resistance or support levels when the market reacts at that level for up to 2 or 3 times. Okay, so when the market hits the place the first time and reverses, it doesn't really qualify it that much. But when it reacts the second time, also the third time, we then take note of that level to be an important level. So as you can see here, the market was coming here, it made this touch here and went up, made this severally and went up, and then came and broke it and came and still touched the level before going down to make this new level, and then going up to retest this level, and then going down to retest this old level, then kept reacting, kept going, touching. Now after it broke this support level, and came down. It now went up to retest this level and make it a new resistance level. So we can see that the principles we study here are what are in place here. Now, this point is called the breakout point. So it broke out here, then retested this level. That's the idea of support and resistance levels. Now, in our previous example where we were looking at this chart, where we were looking at the trend law, okay, we tend to see that, let's draw a line here. We tend to see that this level, we tend to see that this level could be classified as a resistance level and also a support level. So when the market came here, it supported it here, then came here, bounced here, and then came here. So this made it a support level, and then it crossed here, came here, and then we tested this level. So I made mention of something, I don't know if you can remember. I said this level is probably a support or resistance level in the past. So that's the level of retracement. So the market retraced to this level before going down. Okay, so markets tend to retrace at previous support or resistance levels depending on the case. Okay, in this case, this is a downtrend movement. Then you can see that the market reacted at the previous support level, making it a new resistance level. So that's the idea of support and resistance levels. So I like to see these levels like a zone instead of just a level, because the market might not really touch that line or might go above that line, but when we make it in form of a zone, we tend to have a bigger coverage and then tend to be careful whenever the market trades in that zone. So making it a zone is way better for me. So I usually just make it a zone instead of a level. So you can right click and you can just come here and clone this level, then bring it here so we can see that the market reacts around this level. So this is now a support and resistance zone. I call these zones now. Yeah, so that's the idea of support and resistance in Forex. These are concepts that you need to take note of, you need to understand. You're going to use them in your day-to-day analysis of the market. And the next one, we're going to be learning about demand and supply zones, which are quite similar to the support and resistance levels. So hope to see you in the next. Bye.